This video is not about another gadget. It's about a very real and growing threat that's already inside your home. One that's subtle, one that we can't see, hear, smell, yet is silently costing you money on utilities, and your quality sleep, and your family's health. The threat I'm speaking about are EMFs, or electromagnetic fields. You see, electromagnetic fields, they exist everywhere in nature. Yet it's the man-made frequencies that are both new to the modern electrified world and currently causing us all the harm. My son, he was diagnosed with EHS. It's electro hypersensitivity syndrome, and why Power Perfect exists and why I'm talking to you today. The World Health Organization has launched an entire project investigating EMF overexposure, and it's linked to things like chronic fatigue, headaches, sleep disruptions, and more. At Satic Shield, we stop the damage in its tracks. We clean your power, protect your home, and shield your family from what matters most, your family's health. So let's quickly walk through how we fix this together today.
Dirty electricity, which is distorted, chaotic electrical power, is flowing through virtually all homes and businesses, whether or not they're connected to the grid. This dirty electricity is, of course, invisible, but it creates EMF, harmonics, and nonlinear loads that can shorten the life of your electrical and electronic gadgets and appliances. All electrical loads make noisy, dirty electricity. Satic Power Perfect restores the 60 Hz sine wave that your home or business requires.
So this is it. Satic Shield's award-winning Power Perfect products. Starting with our award-winning ES120 plug-in model. This actually revolutionized the market 15 years ago. When it dropped, there's nothing like it. Which led to Field Shield, our EMI, dirty electricity meter, and of course, Power Perfect, over 100,000, protecting homes and families like yours right now. And finally, our Generation 3 Super Duty, our flagship product that's going to help protect your family. These products are made right here in Missoula, Montana, with craftsmanship and tremendous pride. They have performance that's guaranteed. They have long warranties that are honored. And I thank you for trusting my family to protect yours.
Every Power Perfect shield, as well as our other products, are hand tested before they ship. Our components are proudly made in the USA, and we build each one like we're installing it in our own homes. Protecting our customers and family is close to our heart. That's why we do it right.
So this is our Power Perfect energy management system. Super easy to install. It comes ready to go. All you have to do is place it close to the meter and wire it directly in. We'll have a 3-pole breaker right here that you can just wire directly into. You can remove the cover right here. And once you see the blue lights, you know that it's working properly. This works for both solar and non-solar. You don't have to have solar to use this. Pretty much just place it next to it, wire it directly into the panel, right into those that 3-pole breaker, and you're good to go.
Once we install it, homeowners feel the difference instantly. They tell us they sleep better while phones charge cool and fast, not slow and hot.
This device that cleans the energy as it comes into the house was a huge added benefit to the electronics, anything electronic in our house. The clean energy expands their lifespan.
And for me, I look at it as our house is much more than just 4 walls and a roof. It's a home. Anything that we can do to make that home a safer place for us all to be gives me a lot of confidence. And I feel more comfortable knowing that we've got the Power Perfect Shield in place.
You've even told me that you've slept better, you feel better, have more energy, and I've felt it too.
This isn't a gimmick. It's an award-winning system upgrade validated by leading labs and scientists across the world. As residential EMF levels are rising across every power grid, the United States EMFs exposure standards are sadly lagging behind the rest of the world. Our cutting-edge power filters shield your family, giving you peace of mind in a world surrounded by electromagnetic frequencies.
Harmful EMFs, electrical inefficiencies, and unoptimized systems can silently drain your system's performance, your wallet, and affect your health. That's where the Power Perfect Shield comes in.
What we value most is how many people we can shield from the harmful and dangerous effects of EMF. We haven't just installed on schools, we've installed on entire school districts. We protect the most valuable resource in your life, your family's health. We're already in 5 countries and we're expanding. And our greatest dream, it's been realized. Awareness about EMFs and dirty electricity has finally, officially gone mainstream.
We're not just seeing energy and financial savings, we're seeing full system power stabilization, power factor correction, surge protection, and EMF mitigation across the board. Customers love Satic's Power Perfect solution.
From the moment your order hits our system, we're on it. We move fast, coordinating your product delivery and our award-winning install support, all handled with precision and care. Because at the heart of everything we do is one thing: unmatched customer service. Your experience matters, and we make sure it's seamless from start to finish.
We have over 100,000 Power Perfect already installed.
This business has our family name behind it. Both of my sons work here in the focused effort to save my then only grandson what could possibly mean more to me. BD was adamant that we take care of people before profits. That's why I'll always get a real voice on the phone. Why we follow up after every install to make sure you're not just satisfied, but protected and feeling better. Saving my grandson created a business where we've been able to help thousands of families just like ours, just like yours.
Well, you've seen the proof. You've heard it from experts, you've heard it from engineers, and satisfied customers with over 100,000 of them. So what are you going to do? Continue living in a home that's saturated with EMFs while its dirty electricity is draining your savings, your wallet, costing you good sleep, and affecting your health? Or are you going to fix it right now, once and for all? At Satic Shield, we made clean power possible. Act now. Our team is standing by.